Europe is full of famous destinations. Tourists flock to Paris, Rome, and Barcelona. These cities are renowned for their iconic landmarks, rich history, and vibrant cultures. From the Eiffel Tower in Paris to the Colosseum in Rome and the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, these places are on every traveler's bucket list. But what if we told you there's a hidden gem in Europe that offers just as much, if not more, without the overwhelming crowds? But tucked away in southeastern Europe lies a hidden gem, Serbia. This country, often overlooked by mainstream tourism, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. Nestled between the more frequented destinations, Serbia offers an authentic experience that is hard to find elsewhere. Its landscapes are diverse, ranging from rolling hills and fertile plains to majestic mountains and serene rivers. This small country is big on beauty. It offers stunning scenery, fascinating history, and warm hospitality. The panoramic views of the Serbian mountains are breathtaking, and the historic towns are filled with stories waiting to be discovered. The locals are known for their friendliness and warmth, making every visitor feel at home. Whether you're exploring the cobblestone streets of a historic town or hiking through the lush countryside, Serbia's charm is undeniable. Best of all, it's still undiscovered by most travelers. This means you can enjoy the serene landscapes and historic sites without the usual tourist crowds. Imagine wandering through a quiet town where every corner holds a piece of history, or relaxing in a tranquil spot surrounded by nature. Serbia offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of more popular destinations. Serbia is a land of contrasts. Its cities are vibrant and modern, yet its countryside remains untouched and pristine. This juxtaposition creates a unique travel experience where you can enjoy the best of both worlds. One moment, you're in a bustling city with a lively atmosphere, and the next, you're in a serene rural area, surrounded by nature's beauty. You'll find bustling cities with modern architecture. Belgrade, the capital, is a city that never sleeps, with its modern buildings, lively streets, and vibrant nightlife. Novi Sad, another major city, is known for its cultural festivals and dynamic urban life. These cities are a testament to Serbia's progress and development, offering all the amenities and excitement of a modern metropolis. But you'll also discover charming villages, seemingly untouched by time. These villages offer a glimpse into Serbia's rich cultural heritage and traditional way of life. The historic houses, cobblestone streets, and local customs transport you back in time, providing a stark contrast to the modern cities. Here, you can experience the simplicity and tranquility of rural life, far from the fast-paced urban environment. Towering mountains give way to fertile plains. The natural landscapes of Serbia are incredibly diverse. In places like Tara National Park, you can witness the grandeur of towering mountains, while the plains of Vojvodina offer vast, fertile lands perfect for agriculture. This variety in landscapes makes Serbia a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Ancient monasteries stand guard over winding rivers. These monasteries are not just religious sites, but also architectural marvels and historical treasures. The Studenica and Manasija monasteries, among others, are beautifully preserved and offer a glimpse into Serbia's spiritual and cultural past. Their serene locations by winding rivers add to their mystical charm, making them a must-visit for anyone interested in history and architecture. Serbia is a feast for the senses, ready to be explored. From its vibrant markets filled with local produce and crafts, to its cultural festivals that celebrate Serbian traditions, there's always something to see, taste, and experience. The scenic views, rich history, and warm hospitality make Serbia a destination that promises unforgettable memories. So, why not venture off the beaten path and discover Europe's hidden gem for yourself? Did you know Serbia is home to the largest gorge in Europe? The Iron Gate Gorge is a breathtaking natural marvel that stretches along the Danube River, creating a stunning border between Serbia and Romania. This magnificent gorge is not only the largest in Europe, but also one of the most picturesque, offering visitors a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. It's true. The Iron Gate Gorge carves its way through the Carpathian Mountains, creating a dramatic landscape that has inspired countless legends and stories. The sheer cliffs and lush greenery make it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're hiking along its trails or cruising down the Danube, the views are simply unforgettable. This natural wonder is just a taste of what Serbia offers. Beyond the Iron Gate, Serbia is a land of diverse landscapes. from rolling hills and fertile plains to dense forests and serene lakes. Each region has its own unique charm and beauty, waiting to be explored. From its delicious cuisine to its vibrant culture, Serbia will surprise you at every turn. Serbian food is a delightful mix of flavors and influences, with hearty dishes that reflect the country's rich agricultural heritage. Festivals and street scenes are filled with music, dance, and laughter, showcasing the warmth and hospitality of the Serbian people. Serbia has a rich history dating back centuries. Its strategic location at the crossroads of Europe has made it a melting pot of cultures and civilizations. Ancient buildings and historical landmarks tell the story of a nation that has been shaped by both Eastern and Western influences. It was once part of the Roman Empire. The remnants of this era can still be seen in the form of well-preserved ruins and archaeological sites. These ancient Roman sites offer a glimpse into the past, revealing the grandeur and sophistication of Roman architecture and engineering. Later, it became a center of Slavic culture. The Slavic heritage is deeply ingrained in Serbian traditions, language, and art. Cultural festivals celebrate this rich heritage, bringing together communities to honor their shared history and customs. This legacy is visible in Serbia's many monasteries, fortresses, and archaeological sites. These historical treasures are scattered across the country, each telling a unique story of faith, resilience, and creativity. The monasteries in particular are renowned for their stunning frescoes and serene settings. History buffs will be captivated by Serbia's stories. Guided tours and museums offer in-depth insights into the nation's past, from ancient times to the modern era. Whether you're exploring medieval fortresses or learning about the impact of the Ottoman Empire, Serbia's history is rich, complex, and endlessly fascinating. Escape the city, leave behind the noise, the hustle, and the constant rush, and breathe in the fresh mountain air of Tara National Park. Feel the cool breeze on your face as you stand atop a rocky outcrop, overlooking a vast expanse of lush forest and misty mountains. Located in western Serbia, Tara is a paradise for nature lovers. Its panoramic views are nothing short of breathtaking, with lush green landscapes stretching as far as the eye can see, framed by majestic mountains. Dense forests cover its slopes, home to diverse wildlife. These forests are a sanctuary for countless species, offering a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. Hiking trails wind their way through the park, offering breathtaking views. Each trail is a new adventure, leading you deeper into the heart of this natural wonderland. Keep your eyes peeled for brown bears, lynx, and chamois. These magnificent creatures roam freely, embodying the wild spirit of Tara. These animals roam free in Tara's protected wilderness. It's a rare opportunity to see such wildlife in their natural habitat, undisturbed and thriving. Look up to spot golden eagles soaring overhead. Their majestic flight is a sight to behold, a symbol of the untamed beauty of this park. After a day of exploring, relax in a cozy mountain lodge. Savor hearty Serbian cuisine, rich with flavors that tell the story of this land. And enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. Let the tranquility of Tara wash over you, a perfect end to a day spent in one of Serbia's most beautiful natural treasures. Prepare to be amazed by the Uvac River Canyon. This natural wonder is carved by the meandering Uvac River. Towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from the emerald green water. The canyon is a haven for wildlife, especially birds. The griffon vulture, with its impressive wingspan, calls this canyon home. Take a boat tour to witness these majestic birds soaring through the air. The Uvac River Canyon is a photographer's dream. Capture the interplay of light and shadow on the canyon walls. Don't forget to snap a selfie with the iconic meanders in the background. Section 5. Dovolja Varos, nature's devilish playground. Dovolja Varos, or Devil's Town, is a sight to behold. This unique geological formation features over 200 earthen pillars capped with stone. Legend has it that these pillars are petrified wedding guests, cursed by the devil himself. The pillars vary in height and shape, creating an eerie and otherworldly atmosphere. Two springs with highly acidic water add to the mystique of the place. Walk among these natural sculptures and let your imagination run wild. Dovolja Varos is a testament to the power and artistry of nature. Section 6. Beyond the beaten path, more scenic wonders. Tara, Uvac, and Dovolja Varos are just the beginning. Serbia is brimming with scenic wonders waiting to be discovered. Explore the rolling hills of Fruška Gora National Park. Discover hidden waterfalls and caves. Visit the picturesque Drina River house, precariously perched on a rock. Serbia's landscapes are as diverse as its culture. Whether you prefer hiking, kayaking, or simply soaking up the scenery, Serbia has something for everyone. Venture off the beaten path and create your own adventure in this hidden gem of Europe. Section 7. Discover Serbia your way. Ready to experience the beauty of Serbia for yourself? Start planning your trip today. Choose your own adventure. Hike through pristine forests, go kayaking on crystal clear lakes, or explore charming villages. Savor delicious Serbian cuisine and experience the warmth of Serbian hospitality. Serbia is waiting to welcome you. Let its stunning scenery and rich culture captivate your senses. Create memories that will last a lifetime in this hidden gem of Europe. Section 8. Your journey begins here. This is just a glimpse of what Serbia has to offer. There are countless other scenic spots waiting to be explored. From the majestic mountains to the peaceful plains, Serbia's landscapes will leave you breathless. Do your research, plan your itinerary, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Serbia's beauty is waiting to be discovered. Section 9. Share your thoughts. What scenic spots in Serbia are you most interested in learning more about? Your feedback helps guide our content and ensures we're providing you with the information you need to plan your dream trip. So tell us, where in Serbia will your journey take you?